If you rely on a laptop for most of your work, you've probably dealt with the usual headaches: too few ports, messy cables, and constantly plugging and unplugging accessories. The Mukiya USB-C laptop docking station aims to clean all that up by combining a laptop stand with a built-in hub. It promises a neater desk, better ergonomics, and a simpler workflow, but does it actually deliver where it matters? Let's start with the design. Right out of the box, the Mukiya feels well put together. The aluminum build gives it a sturdy, premium vibe, while the foldable structure makes it easy to carry around. It's designed to support laptops from 10 to 17 inches, and it handles heavier machines without any issues, thanks to its solid construction. The adjustable stand is a big plus. With multiple height levels, you can position your screen closer to eye level, which makes long work sessions far more comfortable. It also includes anti-slip silicone pads to keep your laptop steady and scratch-free. The open design underneath allows for better airflow, helping reduce heat buildup when you're pushing your machine with heavy tasks. Now, what really sets this apart is the built-in 8-in-1 hub tucked into the base. You get a 4K HDMI output, USB-A ports, USB-C connectivity, power delivery support, and both SD and micro SD card slots. It essentially replaces the need for separate dongles and adapters, giving you a cleaner, all-in-one setup. In day-to-day use, performance is reliable. The HDMI port supports 4K at 30 Hz, which is fine for general productivity, streaming, or editing previews, though it's not ideal if you prefer smoother 60 Hz output. Data transfer speeds are solid through the USB ports, and the card readers are quick enough for moving files from cameras or other devices without frustration. Charging performance is also dependable. While it supports high input power, the actual output to your laptop is slightly lower, but still more than enough for most modern devices. Even with multiple peripherals connected, it keeps your laptop powered without interruptions, as long as you're using a capable charger. Where this setup really shines is convenience. With a single USB-C connection, you can hook up your entire workspace, monitor, storage, keyboard, and power, all at once. It's especially useful if you switch between locations or devices often, as it cuts down setup time significantly. Portability is another strong point. The stand folds flat, the hinges feel stable, and it's light enough to carry without hassle. Plus, the metal body helps dissipate heat, which can improve overall performance during demanding tasks. Of course, there are a few limitations. The 4K output is capped at 30 Hz, which might not suit users who need higher refresh rates. There's also no Ethernet port, so if you depend on wired internet, you'll need an additional adapter. And compatibility can vary. Your laptop must support video output over USB-C for the HDMI port to function. You may also notice some warmth when running multiple devices simultaneously. It's not excessive, but it's worth noting during extended use. Overall, the Mukiya USB-C laptop docking station offers a smart combination of functionality and design. It simplifies your setup, improves ergonomics, and reduces cable clutter, all in a portable form factor. It may not replace high-end docking solutions, but for everyday productivity and creative work, it delivers where it counts. It's not flawless, but considering its versatility and price, it's a practical upgrade for anyone looking to streamline their workspace without overcomplicating things. Let us know what you think. Would you use something like this with your laptop setup? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews.